Sorry it takes so long. Traffic, you know.
That's why you should have me come pick you up. You don't have to be independent all the time. God, I miss you. You look so different. You look old.
You forget something of that older than you.
Still past 2 digits, daddy.
My abuelo!
I'm Nieta. Hi baby, you okay?
I was waiting all day for you to come. I have something to show you.
Hey, why you have to show me, Grandpa? Show me now. A lot of catching up for do, you know. Oh God, you get so big and so pretty. Well, look who it is, Miss Rosa. How you doing?
Anthony, look at you, so handsome, so beautiful.
You talk about me, Miss Rosa? Look what me sweat. May I say I would have 30-year-old woman there in front of me.
Oh, stop it, Anthony, you're so sweet. I reach your favorite, Pollo Casado.
Hey, yo, so me for love you, you know. Yo, I go on Miguel. I'm a son-in-law, though. You good? Wait there, I'm a little princess, that. Heaven. Oh God, look on her. She's so cute. So adorable. Come get Grandpa a hug.
No offense, Grandpa, but I am not in the hugging mood right now. Can you respect my personal space?
No, alright, that's cool. I'm happy to see you, though. You look nice. Like your outfit.
Thanks, Grandpa.
Alright, come, daddy. Let's unpack your stuff. Sorry about the color of the room. Heaven like black a lot. I know it's kind of weird. Not something where we used to. But you know them foreign picnics stay.
Cool, man.
Got to see you and Miss Rose are best friends. That woman do not like me, daddy. And me and Miguel been married for years, and she still don't like me, but she love you.
Sometimes you don't have to pay people no mind, honey. It's just life.
Daddy, she complain about everything. Everything me do is a problem to her. Oh, me shouldn't do this.
Look, at the end of the day, you and him done married. You and him don't have kids. Leave she alone, man. She just mad because she can't control her son anymore.
Yeah, it's still, but it'd be nice if she would just ease off.
Grandpa, can I show you something, please? It will only take a sec, I promise. So, how was that, Grandpa? I mean, the steps were kind of off, but I want your opinion on it. Was it okay?
Of course. You have this man. I tell you, say I will win that talent show there at school. No question.
Hi sir, it's nice to meet you. I'm Tyler. I'm Angel's friend.
Okay, oh, nice to meet you too. So, what was that boring thing about? You from Japan or something?
Yes. My mother, she's Japanese. My father, he's American. It's something I've come accustomed to.
Me both say me don't want if your back hurt you.
No, sir. No. My back is fine.
Daddy, can you come? Miguel need your help lifting up something. He can't manage it by himself.
Alright, so come. Later, kids.
What the hell is wrong with you? Did you see me texting your phone all day? Where the hell have you been?
Sorry.
And that's all you can say, sorry?
No, I've been practicing and I wanted my grandpa to see. Look, Tyler, I'm sorry. My grandpa's here and I wanted to practice. And I also wanted to spend a little time with him. I haven't seen him for a while. I'm sorry.
Wait, so your grandfather's stopping you from just replying to my texts? What, is your fingers broken?
No, Tyler. I got kind of busy. I mean, he's just talking about bringing us to Jamaica.
Oh, so you're going to Jamaica? Oh, okay. No problem.
Tyler. Tyler. I know one thing that makes me really excited about this trip. I can get to smoke all the weed I want. And Mom and Dad can't say shit because they won't be able to see me.
Hey, 2 want something to eat? Back up on the road, you know. I'll buy some Burger King. Not forward?
As long as you're buying, I'm coming. I'm so excited about it.
Well, what we have to do right now is that we have to tell the parents. That's the big thing right now, because I don't know if your father or wife, you know, more protective. So,
Don't worry about it. I know how to talk to Dad. I'm gonna get him to let us go. You don't have to worry about a thing. Trust me. I can't wait. I've never been to Jamaica. I'm so excited. What's so great of ganja there? All she's thinking about is pot.
wait, what? You smoke weed? No, I can't, no, I'm not alone, none of that.
Grandpa, just chill, man. Like, relax. That is so disgusting. Why do you always do that? Can't you just act like a girl? Like, what is wrong with you? You're so annoying. I'm annoying? At least I have a personality. I don't have a stalker like you. Oh, what? You didn't tell Grandpa about your stalker? Kyle, who's following?
Stalker, we are talking about the same you they'll come out of the house.
Grandpa, she doesn't know what she's talking about. Yeah, sure I don't. I mean, you can't do anything without his permission, right? He's your stalker. Or should I say owner?
Wait, Angel, what shut up, bro? Angel. You know you're not feeling embarrassed about anything. Like, you can talk to me. Trust me, you'll understand. Tell me what's going on. Where your sister talk, bro?
She's just... Grandpa, it's nothing. She's just jealous, okay? Because I have a boyfriend and she doesn't. She's always watching me in my business. Like, there's nothing going on. Kyle is my friend, okay? That's it. He's just my friend.
You know, sometimes people are controlling and it leads to something worse. I was in a relationship with a girl back in the day and it kinda led to something more serious. I don't think you know about it because we don't really talk about it. I'm just saying, if there's anything going on, you can tell me. If you don't want to talk to your parents about it, you can talk to me about it, Angel. Trust me. I understand more than anybody.
It's fine, Grandpa. Jeez.
Sorry about getting mad at you today. I was just kinda upset. You know how much I love you.
It's fine.
I don't see why you would want to go to Jamaica. I mean, aren't you gonna miss me? I mean, I'm gonna miss you.
I've never been there.
I think you should tell your grandpa you don't want to go.
I've never been there before.
So, I've never been to Japan. You don't see me crying. I'm just gonna miss you. Just tell me you're not going.
So, Dad, you're gonna pay for the tickets. Ticket? More she alone for come, not you or your wife. Oh, I thought you were gonna pay for everyone. Well, that's fine. I'm also taking Angel and Heaven. So yeah, I just want my grandkids feel, know them side of the family, know them Jamaican side of their family, them Jamaican culture. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Sure. Yeah, you don't have to worry about anything. I already have a place where I'm gonna rent out for all the way to go. It's gonna be me, my wife, your sister, and the girls. So everybody will be fine. Trust me. Maybe I can stop worrying less. A year can stop proceed. I mean, I look younger than you. Yeah, okay, Dad, sure. So, Sakura, how you feel about the trip?
I'm still trying to process in my mind. I mean, I've never been anywhere else but here. But it'd be kind of fun to go to Jamaica and try all the tropical foods and I know all the food and everything. I think I'll enjoy this stay.
Okay, fine. Oh shit. Oh, Miss Rosa, sorry. Oh, I forgot my towel. You can pass me a towel, please? Oh, Miss Rosa, you alright? Can you pass me a towel, please?
When I was a young girl, I met a man who's from Jamaica, like you.
Oh, Miss Rosa, are you feeling alright? I need a towel.
He had something big, like you.
Oh, Miss Rosa, I really need that towel. I have to talk to your son and daughter-in-law about something. Miss Rosa, why are you crying? What's wrong?
Ah, Mom, what are you wearing?
A dress, mijo. Are you blind? What, you don't like it? I think it looks lovely. What do you think, my dear daughter-in-law?
Honestly, they look really good. They fit you.
I'm honestly shocked that Grandma has nice jugs. I mean, at her age.
Mom, don't you think you want to wear something a little bit age-appropriate? I mean, that's a little revealing, isn't it?
I mean, what age should you dress like that, right? She looks good.
You know what? I have an idea. Why don't you make me bring the girls and go to Jamaica?
Oh, no offense, Anthony. I'm still trying to process my mom married that dress.
Well, I think it's a good idea if the girls go to Jamaica for the experience.
Oh, I mean, they've never been anywhere far from us, and I don't really know. I mean, they're still young. I don't know if it's a good idea.
Let them go. They barely know their culture. They barely know our culture. Let the girls go. They can't stay here with you forever, Hahio? Like, why? Why? Let them go enjoy themselves.
Oh, hey, everyone. Whoa, go on. What's the problem?
Alright, look. Grandpa, let's just cut all the chit chat and whatever, okay? I want you to do me a favor. When I go to Jamaica, I want to smoke a lot of weed. And I want you to not tell my parents that I'm smoking a lot of weed.
Good girl, you lose your mind or something? You hear what you asked me?
Grandpa, I knew that you banged Grandma. It's pretty obvious.
What? Me don't know what you talking about.
You're new here, so let me explain things to you. Anytime Grandma gets a man, she acts different. But since you came, Grandma hasn't left the house, and everybody knows she has a crush on you. And now she's dressing like a skank, so I already knew what you guys did. All you have to do is promise that you won't tell my parents that I'm smoking weed, and I won't tell your wife that you slept with my grandmother.
You know, I can't understand how the foreign people so damn out of order and no behavior.
Grandpa, I really don't care what you do with your life. You have 8 children with a bunch of baby mothers. I know your history and I really don't care. I just need to smoke some weed when I'm in Jamaica. Mom and Dad said if they catch me smoking weed or hear about me smoking weed, I'm gonna be grounded and they're gonna take all my electronics, and I can't live without electronics, and you know that I am Gen Z after all. Can't wait for the trip, Grandpa. Later.
Oh, Annie, watch where you step. I accidentally spilled something. I'll clean it up. Don't worry.
Oh, you sure you don't want me to clean it up? You remember your back, right?
Oh, no, it's fine. I've been taking medication. My back is strong as ever. Don't worry. I'll clean. And I'll clean up the house for you. You just rest. I know you're very tired.
Mom and Dad said we're going to Jamaica. Aren't you excited? You're gonna buy your little pink, fluffy, flowery crap. I'm not going. You're not going to Jamaica. You honestly believe you taking me for a fool or something? You, the same girl that listens to paired dancehall music, know more about it than I do. You don't want to go to Jamaica. This must be a joke. I'm staying here with Tyler. He needs me, okay? Oh, boo-hoo, the rich white boy needs you. He's half Asian? Asian, Caucasian, whatever. Listen, I'm going to Jamaica, and if you make this hard for me, I'm gonna make this hard for you. You can bet on it. Don't play with me. You know what? I know you're just jealous of me, Heaven, because I have a boyfriend and you don't. First of all, I'm pansexual. I can get anybody I want, and I don't really give a shit about you and your relationship. I need to go to Jamaica and smoke that high-grade weed. You're gonna come, and if you don't come, I'm gonna tell Mom and Dad that you and Kyle have been having sex. I saw that birth control in your drawer. Don't play with me, okay? I'll make your life a living hell if I don't get what I want. You wouldn't dare. Try me, bitch. I'll do it. And you know I will. You're not stopping me from smoking some high grade. Fuck out of here. Pack your stuff, boo-boo.
So, what Diana been saying about the wedding?
Honestly, I haven't heard from her in a while. I really want, pry in our business. So I'm just leave it alone.
Funny, I haven't heard from Junior in a while either. Which part him there? Him visit you at Canada?
Honestly, no. I mean, he must stay with me, but I haven't heard from him in a while. He must stay with some girlfriend house or something.
Don't you think it's time we be honest with ourselves?
Honest, what? Honey, trust me. Junior and Diana move on. Them not interested in each other. Them have their own lives to live now. Sometimes people just have to move on.
Oh, like you and Octavia didn't move on from each other?
Well, me and Octavia know each other for years, so it's kinda
different. It's actually not different. Them know each other the same amount of time you and Octavia know each other. It's just that for them, love is more stronger than for one. Daddy, you need to admit this to yourself now. Junior and Diana in love with each other, and it's never going to change.
I know, but Octavia just know.
Daddy, I'm not Octavia's biggest fan, and I really wish you would stop listening to her with certain stuff, unless you want Junior to hate you for the rest of his life.
Yeah, I'm kind of pray me too.
I mean, Dad, you want at least few of us to have a normal life. I mean, Diana and Junior love is so pure and young, and them know each other for so long. I never really seen nothing like it before. It's very rare, and I wish you would just give it a chance to make the two of them just be happy. I don't really give a shit about what Octavia want, honestly. I mean, remember when them look a bit how close them was? I know you remember. Don't act like you don't. He would do everything for that little girl. Everything. Nobody can talk to her a certain way. Nobody can bother him want war with them. Him defend her all the time. It's obvious that them in love. I don't know. It's just funny how you and Octavia in love, or whatever you want to call it, and then you have two kids who are in love with each other. I mean, only make it complicated by getting married, but
you know what, honey? Me go think about this. Alright? Just give me time, okay?
think hard about it, Daddy. It might benefit you too.
Remember how complicated it was between you and your parents then?
When Grandma passed away, I know it did hurt you because you never get to, clear up some things where you and her did have. But don't make the same mistake with Junior. Him already moved distant with you. No matter make it harder for you to two on, alright? No man or woman should come between you and your kids them. That's all me know. As much as weird Heaven is, I always accept her for who she is. And if Junior love Diana, I think you need to just accept that.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Daddy, you're a really good people person. And you always have solved everybody's problem. I mean, you solve my problem. Just please don't make my husband ever find out what you do with him, mother. You saw him gone just because you wear a certain type of dress. Let's just keep that between me and you, okay, Daddy?